Hey, I love cooking fish, and I love a good kitchen hack. So when you combine the two, this is what you get. Nice. Well, here's my fish. It's a nice piece of ocean trout. Now it goes into a bag with some basil from my garden, and then I flood that bag with extra virgin olive oil. And I add enough oil so that when I press the bag shut, it pretty much covers the fish. Now this goes into boiling water, and straight away I turn the water off. What this does is it gives that fish a nice gentle place to cook for 5 minutes. The fish comes out, and then I set it aside for a couple of minutes to rest. Into the same water with salt and some lovely veg. And after a minute, it comes out into a bowl with some salted butter. Now for the fish. We can cut it open, and I like doing this over a rack so it separates the fish from the poaching oil. That skin peels off pretty easily. It's a little rubbery, and it also gives me a place to season with salt before serving. While it's warm, onto a plate with those buttery vegetables, a little bit of basil for garnish, and some of that fragrant olive oil from the cooking. And there it is. It's fish poached in olive oil, cooked like a pro. Hit that subscribe button and that bell for alerts, and you'll be the first to know when I do new stuff.